This recipe literally has saved major mealtime catastrophes, like when dinner rolls around and company shows up unexpected, or you get home late and need a meal on the table in less than 30 minutes. It's the ultimate family meal and so easy to put together. And the bonus is that everyone assembles their own food, and leftovers can be used to make salads, wraps, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. In this large skillet over a medium-high heat, I'm just gonna heat up some oil, and then I'm going to brown my beef. Once the beef starts to brown, but it's still a little pink, that's when I like to add my taco seasoning. I have a recipe for it in 3 of my cookbooks called the Arriba Taco Seasoning. It's that good. It's not spicy, it's really smoky and full of rich flavor. Again, the recipe right below in this video. While the meat finishes cooking, I'm going to assemble the rest of the party. Here I have some shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, homemade salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. For today's taco, I'm using a crispy tortilla shell, which need to be warmed a little. So let's place them in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. Once the meat is done, you are pretty much ready to assemble. I like to place the lettuce at the bottom because trying to stuff a taco with lettuce after you place the other toppings can be a challenge. Then some of the taco meat in my taco. Crunchy tacos are so good, but they can be a little problematic to stuff. And then some cheese. And it broke. That always happens to me because I overstuff my tacos. Salsa, guacamole, and some sour cream. Really, there's no exact order to this, but now my favorite part. I tell you, the end of each video when I get to take a bite never gets old. This, my friend, let's talk about what's happening here. Some of the simplest recipes are also some of the better ones, especially when you have the right seasonings. And that's Arriba Taco Seasoning. It made the beef perfectly smoky, rich, and everything inside of this crunchy tortilla. Grab the recipe and the link to the Taco Tuesday cookbook below this video to make every Tuesday the best day of your week. And while you're down there, click that red subscribe button so we can hang out and eat tacos together every single Tuesday. See you next time.